Dumpster rental, Middle River, Maryland. Managing waste on large projects can be challenging, especially during renovations, construction, or significant cleanouts. Mac Dumpsters is your trusted provider for high-quality dumpster rental in Middle River, Maryland. We offer a variety of dumpster sizes to fit every project, from small cleanup jobs to large-scale construction efforts. With Mac Dumpsters, you get the best service and the right size for the job. Regarding large projects, proper waste disposal isn't just crucial for keeping the area clean and safe. A dumpster rental from Mac Dumpsters helps you stay organized, reduce clutter, and avoid the risk of fines for improper waste disposal. Our dumpsters are perfect for keeping your project site clean. They allow workers to focus on their tasks without worrying about waste piling up. We've got you covered, whether it's construction debris, home renovation materials, or clean-out waste. Mac Dumpsters is dedicated to providing the highest quality service. We make it easy for you with hassle-free delivery and pickup so you can focus on the job while we handle the waste. We prioritize environmentally friendly practices, so you can feel good knowing your waste is disposed of responsibly. Call Mac Dumpsters today at 410-205-5330 for your free quote and take the first step towards a cleaner, more organized project site. Don't let waste slow you down. Let us help you get the job done right.